guys, so today, guess where we are? We're still in Switzerland. And this place where we are right now is famous for lots of waterfalls. And this place is called Lauterbrunnen. Well, as you can see behind me, like there's a waterfall right there. You might not really be able to see it. And welcome back to my channel, At the Adventure Unicorn. I hope you enjoyed this adventure. So right now we're on our way to our little chalet, and I'm assuming that it's a really cool place. It's just a 4 minutes walk from the bus stop. So as you can see right here, we're gonna be staying in this little chalet for 3 days. And the good thing about the chalet is that there's lots of mountains surrounded, and it's a beautiful view. And up there you see like the snowy parts. That's the Jungfrau region. So yeah, and this place is really cool. And from here, we're gonna like take a cable car up there, up to the top of the mountain. So then we can like look at the view and everything at the top of the mountain. And then we're gonna be doing something else as well. So this is like the window from the chalet, and it has a really beautiful view, and it's a really sunny, not really cloudy day today, so it's a really fabulous day outside. And now we're like going down by the basement area, and here is a washing room in case we gotta like wash our stuff. And here is if we come in the winter, we gotta go skiing. If there's muddy boots, we put like our indoor shoes here, and then like we leave our skis here and everything. This is the kitchen, and we can like cook stuff like omelets, like we can put things in the oven as well, and like yeah, and there's like a lot of food here. Like there's also quite a bit of utensils, and there's like this elevator. I have no idea what that elevator is for. It's like really small, and come on, we're gonna go check what's inside the elevator. It says doors must be closed at both ends. Make sure there's nothing in here. That's interesting. Make sure items are within the marked area. Press bottom black button to send down. Press top black button to send up. Oh, I think it's like to send it to the dining room. Oh, by the way, this is the dining room. It's a really pretty place. It's got loads of windows with beautiful views as well. And like there's also a clock, and there's a specific timing that we've got to be in the dining room from today. And we've just left our hotel in Lauterbrunnen, and today we're gonna be looking at lots of different waterfalls, and we're gonna go we're probably gonna go to Lauren. So yeah. So follow us so you can like continue the adventure. Yeah. This scenery looks really nice, doesn't it? With the cows, the fresh green grass, the beautiful waterfall, the surrounding mountains, and a cute little chalet. You see these two waterfalls here? Guess how many more waterfalls there are in Lauterbrunnen. Well, if you said, I don't know, I'm just gonna tell you right now how many more waterfalls there are. Did you know in Lauterbrunnen there are 72 waterfalls? Like, that's just so much. And today we're like gonna see a few of them, and then tomorrow probably another few. So yeah. So now we're at this place called the Trümmelbach Falls. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but yeah. And here we're gonna be seeing the waterfall. Do you see that bridge all the way up there? That bridge, it's that's where we're gonna be going today. So yeah. So now we're gonna do our hike up the mountain all the way to the waterfall, so we can like see it from behind, or like yeah. And The hike up's not gonna, I don't know if the hike up's gonna be long, but it's probably gonna be long because, like, normally hike ups aren't that short. Like, they're pretty long usually. So, yeah. And I think I'll enjoy this hike up because, like, the autumn colors of the trees, I really like them because, like, they're warm colors. Like, So, yeah. Whee! Waterfall in there. Come on. Whoa, look at this waterfall. Look at how much water's falling down. That's a lot of water. Oh, and by the way, this is only one waterfall. We still have 9 more waterfalls to go. Like, it's so cool. It's kind of chilly here though. And look at how turquoise the water is. Wow, the water's coming from all the way up there. And I really want to go water sliding on it, but actually I think I changed my mind right now. You know why? That's because the water's really cold and the force of the water's like super hot, like a lot, and it wouldn't really be a nice water slide because it's kind of rocky, the bottom. But even if it was hot, the water, and if there weren't rocks, I still wouldn't do it because of the force. So you see this waterfall here. So it's actually coming from the waterfall we just saw earlier, and then it goes to the lakes, the trees, and the plants. And did you know the reason it's so cold? It's actually glacier water. It's coming from Jungfrau, Mount Eiger, and something else that I don't remember. And it's also because of snow, because of global warming. Yeah. Oh my god, look, you can hear another waterfall. And look at how high up we've come already. Like, this is so high up. look, you can see another waterfall. It looks like it's through the hole. And we're super duper lucky that the Swiss government has organized such a beautiful place like this for us to look at the beautiful waterfalls. And I'm so glad it's accessible to not just people that can walk, but it's also accessible to wheelchairs and old people because there's an elevator that we can use. And it's really, really cool. And if we go above, like where you see the light, we can't go there, but like you can see all types of glaciers and you can see the water coming down from the glaciers. Wow, it's blue. My mom and dad aren't coming. Well, at least I can take a little rest with a beautiful view of the mountains. Come quickly, you're taking too much time. The faster we get there, the more beautiful it will be. Seriously, you're stopping to look at the view? Come on, we're gonna see like a gazillion other waterfalls later. And it's so fun to play on the stairs, like play. Not like play. So if you wanna visit Lauterbrunnen, autumn is one of the best times to visit it because it's not too cold or not too hot. And the trees, the colors are very spectacular and it makes you feel very good. Like the colors, they make you feel welcome. So right now we just finished 5 waterfalls, 5 more to go. We're gonna go to waterfall 6 and then we're gonna go to 6 to 10. So come on. It says the arrow's pointing this way, so looks like we've got to go this way. So from here we can see the other side where it's like another tunnel. And right now we're actually standing directly above the waterfall. Like it's coming from there and then it's going down. And then we're like above the waterfall. And I'm gonna show you my favorite waterfall. This is my favorite waterfall because so far it's the loudest, the biggest, and the one that has the most force. And there's a blue floaty thingy there. Do you wonder how the waterfalls have been carved into the mountain? Well, people haven't done it. It's natural. It's actually natural made, and it's made by the water itself. It's called erosion. It's like the force of the water has been cutting through like the parts of the mountain. So that's how this is formed. But the tunnels where the people can walk in is of course made by humans. Like. So I can't believe we've seen like 10 waterfalls today. Like that was just so cool. We've seen 10 out of 72. So we've got 62 more to go. No, just kidding. We're not going to do all 62 of them. But we'll see how many more we can cover in my next video. So I hope you enjoyed my video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications buttons for more of my upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video. And let's hope we can cover 62 waterfalls. Like, totally. That's definitely gonna happen. Yeah, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna see 62 waterfalls. I was just being sarcastic. So yeah, bye!